everyone. Today I made an object detecting circuit which will detect when an object is close to it. Let me show it to you how it works. So I have connected the battery wires to the breadboard and then it powers the circuit. So this is the oscillation circuit which I made a while ago. So these are photocell resistors. They'll change the voltage according to the light and shadow. I removed the LED and I kept a red LED in this place, and I added a little buzzer so it will beep when an object is close to it. Let's see how it works. Thank you everyone. Bye.